Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to simple and effective keyword research with Ubersuggest. Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to simple and effective keyword research with Ubersuggest. Today, I will guide you step by step on how to use this tool to find the best keywords for your website, blog, or YouTube channel that can boost your traffic and help you rank higher in search results. First, open your browser and go to Ubersuggest.com if you haven't used Ubersuggest. Before you can create a free account or start with limited daily searches after logging in or starting the free trial, the first thing you want to do is enter a seed keyword related to your niche or topic in the search bar. For example, if you run a cooking blog, you might type in terms like recipes, healthy cooking, or desserts. Hit the search button. And in seconds, Ubersuggest will show you an overview that includes keyword volume, SEO difficulty, paid difficulty, and cost per click. This data is crucial because it tells you how popular and competitive a keyword is. The lower the SEO difficulty, the easier it is to rank for that keyword. Next, scroll down to the keyword ideas section, where you will find related keyword suggestions sorted by volume and difficulty. Look for keywords with a good search volume, but relatively low SEO difficulty. These are golden opportunities to optimize your content without getting lost in overwhelming competition. You can also use filters to narrow down your choices by location, language, or even search intent, which helps you catch the most relevant and targeted keywords for your audience. To dig even deeper, click on the keyword you like to see a detailed page offering trend, data, keyword ideas, content ideas, and backlink opportunities. Pay close attention to the content ideas, because they show you what type of articles or videos are ranking, already giving you insight on how to structure your own content. Finally, once you have compiled a list of promising keywords, export them to a CSV file or save them inside Ubersuggest for future reference. This will keep your keyword research organized and accessible when you are ready to create content. Remember, keyword research is an ongoing process, so revisiting Ubersuggest regularly will keep your strategy fresh and effective. One last tip is to use the site audit feature in Ubersuggest to identify SEO issues on your website and improve your overall ranking potential. Now you are ready to put this knowledge into action and watch your online presence grow. Make sure to keep experimenting with new keywords and adjusting your strategy as trends shift and your audience evolves. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips on mastering digital marketing tools.